The first coat is applying the paper joint tape with a base compound on all joints. The mud box has a lightweight body constructed from durable Lexan polycarbonate with stainless steel and aluminium components. Before use, check that the handle moves freely and controls the position of the creaser wheel and cutter, and that the creaser wheel moves freely. To remove the lid, pull back on the handle, then raise the rear of the lid and slide forward. The lid contains a Mudflow Adjuster to allow for different compound consistencies. Try an initial setting of 2 to 3 mm when fitted. Slide the tape spindle out and fit to a roll of tape. Replace the spindle and feed the paper tape into the body, under the mud retainer and out over the tape wheels. Replace the lid, leaving the back half open to allow filling. You can fill the mud box by hand or using a loading pump. To start taping, pull back on the handle and position the mud box on the joint as you would an automatic taper. Use the same techniques, ensuring that the tape wheels rotate and do not drag. To cut the tape, lift the tape wheels off the wall and allow the cutter blade to rotate and rest against the tape. Reapply pressure to the wall and roll the mud box forward, cutting the tape. For internal joints, start at the bottom with the mud box bisecting the angle between the walls. Start with a longer tab of tape to allow for some dragging. Ensure both tape wheels are in contact with the walls and allow the creaser wheel to force the tape into the corner. Cut off using the same method. For ceilings, use the creaser wheel to help bed in the tape. After applying 300 mm, tilt the mud box so only one serrated drive wheel presses firmly on the ceiling. This will allow easier, smoother flow of tape and compound onto the ceiling with greater accuracy to stay on the joint.
So you thin that down with a bit of water, yeah, and mix it up?
Yeah.
I paid $9
Yeah.
for sand.
Yeah.